Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the real me filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, your layout might be a little different than me. I'm using TikTok Philippines. Maybe you will be seeing trending here. Okay, so it's a trending filter. Let's check in the trending section. Here in Philippines it's hot. Okay, and remember this image. This is the filter. Tap on it. Okay, then you have to browse a picture from your camera roll. I have some pictures. These are the picture also. You can choose this kind of picture also, but these are more good. Okay, select the picture and that's it. So this is it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect from effects gallery, and suppose you are not getting the effect from here, then what you can do, go to discover and search for real me filter. Okay, you will see some video with this effect. Now tap on any video you want. Okay, and on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect icon. It's in yellow, written real me. Tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites. Okay, and at the bottom of the screen you can tap on this record button to use this effect. Likewise. Okay. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap on the effect icon. Okay, and in this page tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and you are in the effect page. Now tap on the record button again at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this real me filter on TikTok. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.